Right, just going to show you how to get Microsoft's Internet Explorer browser. You're going to want to end up on this particular website here. Support.microsoft.com is how I've found it. But you can just Google Internet Explorer. Be careful because Microsoft will try and divert you to their new browser called Edge. I mean, they're even trying to do it while I'm on this particular page. Hold on 1 second, I'll show you. I'm on this page. I want Internet Explorer, and even just inches below where it says get Internet Explorer, they're trying to get me to get Microsoft Edge. No, I've deliberately come here because I want Internet Explorer. Don't mess with me, Microsoft. I know Internet Explorer is up to version 11. They are still updating Internet Explorer, even though if you buy a computer with Windows 10 on it, it's going to come with Microsoft Edge installed. Anyway, I want Internet Explorer 11. It says you don't need to download and install Internet Explorer 11 in Windows 10 because it's already installed. Okay. To open Internet Explorer 11 in Windows 10, in the search box on the taskbar, type Internet Explorer and then select Internet Explorer in the list of results. Okay. Let's try that on my computer then. They're saying it's already installed. Okay, I've just done 3 letters int, and I've got Internet Explorer app showing up there. Let's now click on that and see what happens. Well, how about that? I've got Internet Explorer already on the computer. So let me just minimise Chrome browser out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. We rely on advertising. By clicking continue to site, you agree to allow us and third party to store. Oh, I don't want that. So let's manage ad settings. Do everything I can to get rid of as many adverts as I can. Let's see what this says. Let's view vendor consent. Oh, look at that. Microsoft's got it as to allow all. No. So I've just switched off everything. Okay, look at that. I bet there's a humongous list of advertisers they were going to allow to put cookies on my computer. Cookies basically track you around the internet. So just because you're on one website, let's say you go to Google, the cookie can then track that you've then gone to Amazon or Bing or whatever, and they can build up a profile of you. So always block as many cookies as. No, that's ridiculous. It's going to take forever for me to go through that list. So I'm just going to hold my mouse button down. That is insane. And they were going to allow all those. Right, so we'll leave it at that. I'm not going to deal with the add-ons at the moment. That'll be another thing. Several add-ons are ready for use. I'm just going to click to close that out of the way because that's in the way. Right, so all of those now off, inactive, and then click Save Settings. Okay, and the default homepage seems to be MSN. I think that stands for something like Microsoft News or something like that. MSN.com. Anyway, I'm now going to go up there. About Internet Explorer. Click on that. And there you go. I've got version 11.778.18362.0. And I was just looking. If you go to, got to go back to my Chrome browser. I was on Wikipedia, and Wikipedia's page for Internet Explorer tells you what the latest version is, and they say version 11.0.185 was released 14th of April, so 11.0.185. I've got to try and remember that. Go back to Internet Explorer. Well, that's not version 11.0.185, is it? Oh, there it is. Update versions 11.0.185. Well, how do I update that then? I've got Internet Explorer 11. It's aware that there's an update, but I'm not sure. Let's just click on that update. Go to the knowledge base about that. Cumulative security update for the April 2020. So as of February, Internet Explorer 10 is no longer supported. Summary. Well, what I'm going to do is, let's just see if I can update that. I'm going to type in UP, and that gets check for updates. Click on that. Just pan away, and let's see. Let's click on check for updates. Let's just see if it comes up with anything for Internet Explorer or not. It says you're up to date. Slightly odd, but for now I'm going to leave it as is and just start using Internet Explorer. So there you go. Today's the 30th of April 2020. Just wanted to show you how to install Internet Explorer, and it turns out Windows 10 computers come with it already installed. So interesting. Right, so I can close that little window there. If I can get the mouse to the right place. Close that. Expand that, and then I can go and do whatever I want. Right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.